Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate connecting to a network device, in this case a router from the internet with NetMiko. So what is NetMiko? NetMiko is a Python library for simplifying SSH management and automation of network devices. And this is the website. And I have it open here. And they have a really good documentation on how you can easily write a code with NetMiko. But I'm going to go ahead and just start writing Python code with NetMiko. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to import the ConnectHandler class from the NetMiko module. So from NetMiko, import ConnectHandler. And you can also use NetMiko, and this should work the same. And the second step is to create a dictionary. So in this case, I can say Cisco device equals. So this is how you create the dictionary. So there's arguments that we need to specify here. So first one is device type, and you should type this as is, or you will have an error. So in this case, I'm going to use double quote, not single quote. Either way should work, right? But I'm going to use double quotes. So device type in this case is Cisco iOS Telnet, and next is the host, and the host is, this is a long name, route. Yeah, this is the host name, and should put comma here. And the last argument I'm going to configure or type is the username, which is rviews. Should be string also. And this is how you create a dictionary for the device details, or to represent the device. Okay, and now I can actually say ConnectHandler. So I'm going to just call this method or class, and I'm going to say Cisco. So this is going to unzip this. So Cisco device. And now I can say hostname, connection, find prompt, and stripped. So this is to basically remove the trailing characters, which would be this or this. These are usually the trailing characters of host names. Let me show you this. Print hostname. See if this works. Okay, so got an error message. There should be no dot here. Let me try again. Now it works. So now we see the host name of the router. Now I can continue. Now I can try to actually send a command. And the command that I'm going to send is show clock. So to do that, I can assign this operation, send command. So I'm calling the send command method and I'm going to say show clock. So this is the actual command that I'm going to send onto the router. And now I can print the output. And I need to also disconnect the connection. Okay, let's try this. Let me also print the host name because I'm using the find prompt. Okay, this should now work. Okay, let me clear the screen and do it again. Okay, now we see the host name, which is this, not including the this character, and this is the show. This is the output of this show clock. So again, this is using a device. The device type Cisco iOS Telnet, not Cisco iOS, which is the SSH connection. And as you can see, I'm not using a password. So to log into the router, you don't have to have a password. You can just, enter the username, and you should be able to get into the router. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. So hopefully this is helpful, and I encourage you to try this yourself. It's not really, the code is not really hard to write, and I'm going to put this code in the description of this video. All right, so yeah, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.